In this video, you will learn to evaluate information using a CRAAP test. There is a massive amount of information available online, but not all of it is accurate or credible. That's why it's so important to know how to evaluate your sources. Using reliable sources help you to build strong arguments and write better research papers. One simple method to evaluate sources is the CRAAP test. The CRAAP test helps you to decide if your information is credible and accurate. It is an acronym that stands for currency, relevancy, authority, accuracy, and purpose. So let's break down what each one means. The C stands for currency. You want to start off by checking when the article was published or last updated. You want to find out if the information is current. In most cases, especially with topics like science, health, or technology, you'll want articles from the last 5 years. If the content is outdated, it may no longer be reliable. The next thing you want to look at is relevancy. The R stands for relevance. You want to ask yourself, is the information relevant to my topic? Does it directly support your research question or assignment? You also want to look at the reading level. Is it too simple or too advanced? You want something that's appropriate for your grade level and easy to understand. The next thing you want to look at is authority. So authority is who wrote that article. You want to look for the author's credentials or expertise in the subject area. Are they a professor, journalist, or expert in the field? If no author is listed, check the publisher or organization behind the content. Reliable sources often come from trusted institutions like universities or government agencies. The next thing you want to look at is accuracy. So is the information correct and well written? You want to check for spelling or grammar mistakes. This could be red flags that the information is inaccurate. Does the information match what you read in other sources? Also, test the links or citations. If they're broken or outdated, there's another warning sign that you should not use that article. The next thing you want to look at is purpose. So you will finally want to ask yourself, why was this article written? Is the purpose to inform, sell, entertain, or persuade you? For research, you usually want informative or educational sources, not biased or opinion-based content. One helpful tip, check the website's URL. Sources ending in .gov or .edu are often more reliable. Websites ending in .com or .net may still be useful, but you need to apply the full CRAAP test to decide if they're trustworthy. Make sure you're using the CRAAP test when you're evaluating sources.